Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Boeing 777X. Latest updates in 2025. The Boeing 777X program has faced numerous challenges but is moving toward certification and eventual service entry. Here are the 10 most important updates regarding Boeing's next-generation widebody aircraft. Certification delays continue. The 777X was initially expected to enter service in 2020, but multiple delays have pushed the timeline to at least 2025 or 2026. The FAA has imposed stricter certification requirements, particularly after the Boeing 737 MAX crisis. Additional scrutiny on Boeing's testing procedures has extended the timeline significantly. First deliveries expected in 2025-2026. Despite delays, Boeing maintains that the first delivery of the 777X will take place in 2025 or early 2026. Emirates, the launch customer, has expressed frustration over the delays but remains committed to receiving the aircraft. Other major customers include Lufthansa, Qatar Airways, and Singapore Airlines. Airlines reviewing orders due to delays. Some airlines have reconsidered their 777X orders. Emirates, the largest customer, has hinted at the possibility of switching some orders to Boeing 787s. Cathay Pacific and Lufthansa have reduced their 777X orders, while Qatar Airways remains committed to the program. Boeing is working to retain airline interest and avoid cancellations. Test flights and performance adjustments. The Boeing 777X test fleet has accumulated thousands of flight hours. Test pilots have evaluated its folding wingtips, aerodynamics, and General Electric GE9X engines. Boeing is making adjustments to meet certification requirements, especially regarding software, aerodynamics, and the wing fold mechanism. 777-8 variant still in question. While the 777-9 is progressing toward certification, the smaller 777-8 remains uncertain. Originally intended for long-haul routes, including Qantas Project Sunrise, Boeing has put the variant on hold. However, it may be revived later to compete with the Airbus A350-1000 and support ultra-long-haul operations. New competition from Airbus. The Airbus A350-1000 is a key competitor to the 777X. Airlines such as Qatar Airways and Lufthansa are evaluating the A350 as an alternative due to Boeing's delays. Airbus is also developing the A350-1000ULR, ultra-long-range, variant, which could challenge Boeing's plans for the 777-8. GE9X engine improvements. The General Electric GE9X, the most powerful commercial jet engine, powers the 777X. While initially facing durability concerns, GE has improved fuel efficiency and reliability. The GE9X underwent extended testing to meet FAA standards, ensuring it will be ready when the aircraft enters service. Boeing's production challenges. Boeing has faced production delays due to supply chain disruptions, workforce shortages, and quality control issues. The company is trying to stabilize production at its Everett facility, but setbacks in the supply chain, especially with composite materials and avionics, continue to impact the timeline. Folding wingtip success. One of the most unique features of the 777X is its folding wingtips, allowing the aircraft to have a wingspan of 71.8 meters during flight while reducing to 64.8 meters on the ground for airport compatibility. The technology has performed well in tests and is expected to help the 777X achieve improved fuel efficiency. Market demand and future outlook. The long-haul market is recovering after the pandemic, with airlines increasing demand for fuel-efficient widebodies. While the 777X has been delayed, airlines still see its potential for replacing older Boeing 777-300ERs and competing with the A350. Boeing remains confident in the program, but the pressure is on to meet delivery timelines. Conclusion. The Boeing 777X program is advancing despite significant delays. With an expected entry into service in 2025 or 2026, airlines are growing impatient but still recognize the aircraft's potential. Boeing is addressing certification hurdles, engine improvements, and airline demands to ensure the 777X becomes a successful next-generation widebody aircraft. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.